Hey guys, this is Arpit Verma and you're watching Arpit Verma Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I would be teaching you that how to add thumbnail or change thumbnail of your YouTube video. So just open the app Play Store, or if you are iOS user, just click on the App Store and search for YouTube Studio. Download this app. It is created by Google LLC and is 100% safe. Just download it and after opening, sign in with your Gmail ID. Enter your same Gmail ID that you have added on the YouTube. Now you would see all your YouTube videos. Just click on that video of which you want to change the thumbnail of. Now click on the pencil icon. Now again click on the pencil icon. Now just click on the custom thumbnail and select the video that you want to add to your thumbnail. So just I have to select this video, so just click on it and then click on select and then save. So it's nicely done. So thank you for watching this video. If you want me to make a video of how to create custom thumbnails, then